Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 15 Pro is updated and visual intelligence permissions are enabled. This ensures model access and privacy controls. Once done, open the camera app and switch to visual intelligence mode so the system can analyze scenes in real time. Make sure to grant photos and camera access when prompted. Without them, you won't save or share results. Start framing your subject, close enough for detail, but not so close you lose context. Because the model blends local pixels with on-device inference to deliver useful suggestions. Now you refine the capture and guide the AI toward the output you want. Tap to set focus and exposure, then enable focus lock if you're scanning text or small objects. This stabilizes analysis. Use 1x or optical zoom up to 3x for better detail, or switch to portrait for subject separation. These choices change what the model prioritizes. Once visual intelligence returns suggestions, tap tags to accept, edit recognized text directly, or ask it to identify, translate, or extract details for later use. This is where the why of framing pays off. To finish, save or share the AI's output. Copy extracted text, add results to notes, or send images via messages. Make sure to review suggested edits before saving because automatic labels can be imperfect. If recognition struggles, recapture with stronger light, a simpler background, or a different angle. These practical changes often fix errors. Finally, if results remain inconsistent, go to Settings and toggle Visual Intelligence off and on or reboot. This resets permissions and model caches and usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.